So we received another really big Rogue One leak, this time on behalf of LEGO releasing images of various sets, and of course with this, we received knowledge about various set pieces throughout the film, and some really intriguing extra stuff. I will not be showing the images and sets here since they are leaked, but there will be a link in the description to check them all out, and be sure to head back to the video as we break them all down. Of course, there are spoilers in this video, so be warned. So first off, we get a look at some various big set pieces or events in the film based off of the background of the sets. We can see that behind the Imperial dropship, that is of course the Death Star, and we also see the same ship in the trailer on the tropical planet. Behind the TIE Striker, we can see the tropical planet yet again we saw throughout the teaser for Rogue One. The background on the AT-ST also looks like it could be Geonosis, and we could be revisiting that planet yet again, but I'm not sure. Revisiting Geonosis would be really cool and interesting, and a nice callback to the first time we saw the plans of the Death Star in Attack of the Clones. Also, now stating the obvious, there is a freaking AT-ST Walker. I cannot wait to see this vehicle back on screen again with updated effects. I've always thought that personally the AT-ST was by far the most terrifying vehicle in all of Star Wars, and I cannot wait to see what it has in store for our Rebel heroes. Speaking of heroes, we get good looks at a lot of our characters in their minifigure forms, with the minifigures of some of our alien rebels featured. In the image for the Imperial tank set, we can clearly see Donnie Yen's character is present, which is really interesting and tells us he will have a part in what I assume to be a big action sequence involving rescuing the individuals we see held captive in the trailer. On top of all this, we received confirmation that the new Rebel ship is called the U-Wing, which I think is quite fitting given the design. So there it is, Rogue One is just getting closer and closer, and the big reveal here for me is the confirmation of an AT-ST. It's also really cool because it appears to be in a location that we haven't seen yet. Keep in mind, these images only go to confirm things, not disprove things. What I mean is there are various waves of LEGO sets, and just because a character, like Darth Vader, is not in these images, he could very likely pop up in a set down the line. So anyway, tell me how you feel about these leaks. Are you excited to see the AT-ST again, and can you spot anything that I missed? Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for everything Rogue One and Star Wars in general. May the Force be with you, and have a great day.